Hi, my name is Betty, and this is Julia today, and we are just going to be doing a fun spring updo. You can follow me on Instagram at Picture Perfects by Betty. Alright, so all I'm doing here right now is sectioning her hair off into three, not really equal parts, but parts big enough for me to braid. So what I'm going to do is braid this. And then I leave enough room at the end to be able to pin my roll up into her hair somehow. Then as well as the middle section. And my last section over here. And I also want to make sure that it's loose enough to her stipulation. So if she wants her ear covered or whether she wants it above her ear. And does it matter for you, Julia?
No.
And then what I do is I come like this and I roll it up and make a pretty little bun here. And I do not let my rubber bands or bobby pins show once I have it all up. And here is our final look.